picture. Mother, picture. Oh my gosh. Katayo ko yun. Ay, teka, may salamin ako. AJ! Picture! Yung ano, flash. Hinaharangan mo. Tingin. Nakapangat ko dyan. Or buksan na natin tong ano, food. Ang saya-saya ng New Year. Sabi mo kay Papa, anuhin. Dali. On the 12th day of Christmas, my dear had sent to me. Tayo yung dalawa. Dali ate. Dito. Hi! Happy New Year!
Krisha, napanood niyo yung kantada?
AJ! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! AJ!
Bakit nila?
Ano yung kantada? Encantadia?
Yung kantada pala.
Happy New Year, AJ! Happy New Year, Ginder! Ay, sorry. Happy New Year, people! Yeah, we're lonely, see? Ganito lang. Teka, hindi pa pala Mama, nasa na yung ibang pagkain? Hindi nyo pa inaayos yun, oh. Ito.
Sinayusin na natin yung food.
Ayusin nyo na yung food.
Tingnan
mo, kami lang nagsasaya dito. Tama ba naman yun? Hi, May. Hello.
Alright, that's it, kids. Get out.
But we have to perform.
Stop, Hot.
Ilagay mo sa Manhattan. Kailangan ko. Nakikisabay tayo sa ano. Wala na.
AJ, oh.
Mayroon na yun. Dali na.
Ayoko yan. No, don't give it to me. No, I don't like it. Stop! Stop giving it to me. No, kunin mo yan. Kunin mo yan.
You were great, Dad.
Pangit naman. Wala lang yan. Tignan mo yan.
Ay, inilagyan ko ng sauce na maganda.
I don't know. I have no idea. Okay, so I'll try making something delicious, but I don't know if this looks delicious. Ew, weird looking pancake. Oh, it's spaghetti. Sorry, my bad.
Oy, may maganda akong lalagyan ng sauce. Alisin na lang natin yan. May maganda.